Okay guys, Rooster here in Tennessee. I hope everybody's doing well. This is a customer test video here for Mr. Gary P. He has already paid for this Fatboy 8-pill 2879 standard. That is standard 2879s, not 2879Cs. This one does not have sideband on it, although I do have the brother or sister amp to it that does have sideband. So if you want one sideband, I do have one available. No wait time. I ordered two of these at a time, got one with and one without. We're going to test this thing two different ways today. I've got my little 1446 driver. Sometimes when I flip it on high, it likes to make a little bit of a racket. So we're going to start out on low, and we'll test it first on low, doing about 180 watts going in. And then we'll turn it up on high. On high, it does about 220 watts PEP. So when you guys hear it making a noise in the background, don't be alarmed. This thing's been through the ringer, and sometimes it likes to act up a little bit. So when you hear that noise, don't think it's the big amp over here. It's the little driver box doing it. So 14.9 is what we're at. It's actually about 14.7 before it gets here. Fatboy does test them at 15 volts. I tend to recommend people to run them at 14.5 to 15 volts. Uniden radio, nothing special. Has been modified, swing kit, whatever you want to call it. It goes into the little 1446, which in turn goes into this guy. So, customer test video. My responsibility, of course, to the customer. Always, 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 not a single amp ever leaves here without me testing it. That's my responsibility to the customer. I can't control what happens when a customer gets the amp. High SWR, overdriving it, overvolting it, forgetting to hook your coax up, any of that stuff can happen. So I have no control over that. The best thing I can do for anyone is to show you that the amp works before it leaves here, and pack it to where it can survive the brutality of UPS or FedEx or whoever I ship through. So just want to bring that up. That's why I do these test videos, guys, is to show you guys they're working before they leave here. And it's just an extra courtesy. I don't charge people to do these videos. Not even, even if you bought an amp directly from Fatboy, they're not going to do a video test for you. If you get it and it doesn't work, they're going to say, hey, ship it back and we'll see what we can do. When you buy one from me, at least you do get to see the amp work before it ships out. So that being said, that's enough of that monkey business. Let's get on the show. The amp is on low, the little driver amp here. Again, about 180 watts PEP going in. Let's get over here to the watt meter. What everybody came to see, right? Nobody cares about the rest of that stuff, all that business stuff. 2500 watt slug. Top scale, let's just go ahead and key it up. Okay, so that's about a 200 watt dead key. Hello. And about 690, or a little bit over 700 average actually, because that little hash mark right there will be 750 rather. So we're about 700 watts average, and let's go to PEP. I'm just going to expect this thing to do around 1500. Audio, check, check, 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 audio. A little bit more than 1500. So remember what I said, the driver, I think I mentioned it here a minute ago, it does make a little bit of noise when I turn it on high, but we do want to test this thing to the max of our ability, or our capability. So we're going to flip this guy on high and see if we can see just a little bit more power out of it. We're going from about 180 PEP to about 220, 210, 220 PEP going in. So the P kit is still turned on. We're still looking at the top scale. Let's see what we get. Check, check, audio, check, check, audio, check, check, audio, 1750 or so. Audio, check, 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 audio, check, check, audio. All right, so 1750 there. You can probably hear the little driver making some racket. For kicks, let's just see what we're drawing current-wise. Audio, 125 amps. Average power, hello, about 750, 800. So that's it, guys. That's where I would run it. If it was mine, that's where I'd run it. I wouldn't be trying to squeeze every watt out of it. Yeah, if you drive it and it does 2000 watts, it'll probably make you feel better. But to be fair, 1750 watts, 1800 watts, nobody's really gonna know a difference. That's it, guys. Fatboy 8-pill 2879 from Mr. Gary P. Hopefully get this thing boxed up today and hopefully get it shipped out. Just want to go ahead and get this video done for him to give him some peace of mind, so he can actually see what he paid for run and see it doing a good job here. So everybody have a good one out there. Questions, comments, shoot me a text, 423-299-3535. As always, you can check out the website, roostercb.com. See you guys out there. See you, bye.